video editing apps. This is going to be a game changer for you for different reasons. So if you are a fan of stories and putting your stuff out there, especially if you have a product, if you have a service, if you have a community like myself, use Mojo. Mojo app is free, but I highly recommend using the paid for version because you get more access to fonts, text overlays, and you get access to all of their templates. When you do the free version, you only get like the ghetto templates. So just pay the money. It's like a one-time fee. You can get access to all of the templates. They have stock video, they have pictures, they have fonts, they have everything. So just do yourself a favor. Download Mojo if you are doing any kind of stories for your business. Hello, Regina. How are you today? Okay, InShot. I've been hearing about this one a lot. For some reason, I am lazy and don't use it. I don't know why. But lately, I've been doing more community videos, which the community videos are like YouTube landscape, and I need to get them to be Instagram photo, whatever the fuck you call this. And so InShot is supposed to be really good at sizing down your videos from one platform to another. I need to do this. So this is why I put this in there, is to remind myself, hey, use InShot. So if you are using InShot, let me know if you like it because I hear great things about it. I just personally haven't. I just created the Fresh Perspective video. I think I have it on here. That one I did with Over, which was kind of a pain in the butt. I'm not going to lie. That one was this guy right here. This one is done through Over. So I took Mojo and Over and I created this video for stories. I took, this one is Mojo. And then the one after that, which is this guy.
It was a game changer.
That's through Over.
SEO.
So using these different ones in one makes it a lot easier. So using 3 apps to create a video is actually pretty awesome. So I use InShot, Mojo, or Over and Mojo to create those videos that I did in my stories for Reels. And then that way, you know, it's easy and it's free. And then also Video Shop. Video Shop is awesome for mixing in video and mixing in photos. So you can take video that's new, you can record in the app, you can actually take old videos, and you can sprinkle in little photos in the end as well. So those are my favorites so far for video editing. But to be 100% honest, going live and then editing it on my iPhone is probably the most often used kind of editing tool. I just cut it down, take out that awkward beginning, trim it down, and then trim it down even farther to do like a kind of like a little snippet meat and potatoes thing like I did my Reels yesterday. And then when all else fails, use Reels, because you know what? Reels has all the editing in there. Hello, friends. Hello. Reels has all of the editing in there. So it's so much easier just to do it in Reels. So if you don't want to download Mojo, InShot, Over, and Video Shop, just go on in on Reels and edit it, save it to your phone, done and done, or just use your iPhone because that's just a lot easier because iPhones are actually pretty damn amazing. How to get logos in your stories. I have been doing this a lot lately. Like I said on the previous story saying, hey, I'm going to go live today, I did my logo. That just looks fancy. I'm about this life. Like, let me know if you put logos in your stuff because I think it really elevates your brand and it puts a personal message on your stories, especially if you want to be known for something. Like I'm trying to promote the Fresh Perspective community because it is no longer Boss Babe Shirt Club. It is the Fresh Perspective. So I keep putting in the actual logo so that way it keeps putting that top of mind. So if you are using a logo or want to, promote something, I highly recommend doing this, putting the logo inside your stories. And all you have to do is download Over, you put your logo inside Over on a transparent background. So that way you just copy and paste that little bad boy in all your stories. And it's super easy to do. You can put it on here, you can put it on a white background, colorful background, whatever it is. And then that way you can go ahead and put your logo on there. Happiness in a Box uses InShot. Oh, hey girl, hey, okay. And how do you like it? I need to know if it's amazing because I've been totally lazy and skipping on it. Can you resize down different types of videos? So if I take a YouTube video, can I put it in a stories? Let me know how that goes. I would like to hear your review on InShot. Yes, the Fresh Perspective. That is the new community. That is our new logo. That is everything. And that's why I've been seeing it in all of my stories. So if I'm doing a live or if I'm doing a recording that day or if I'm doing something, I always put the logo in so that way everybody can see. wait, what's the fresh perspective? Why isn't it Boss Babe Shirt Club? Oh, wait, what? Oh, then you know, I'm top of mind. Boom. I guess you can call that fancy marketing. I'm really not that fancy, but yeah. Oh, okay, yes, you can do that. InShot rules. All right, apparently I'm sleeping on InShot. Okay, y'all are just pimping InShot, and I never even told me. Thanks. I don't remember y'all sending me a DM telling me to go get InShot. Apparently that's the thing. I'm going to download it. It's free, I believe. I need to Google that. Is it free? You can definitely resize any video to fit. Y'all, where have you been? Where have you been not sharing this fabulous tip with me? I'm over here using Over and Mojo and YouTube, and I could have just been using InShot. Okay. Y'all need to just start posting this stuff. You get cool tips, send them in my DMs. I'm here for it. Because apparently y'all are just hiding out on freaking InShot and not sharing all the coolness with me. Okay, automation. This is, GoPro app. I just Googled that. I just Googled GoPro app. They take the meat and potatoes from your videos. Okay, hold up. We're going to park real here. We're going to park it. Hold up. GoPro, Kat, go ahead and, what's that word? Go deeper on this subject. The GoPro app, apparently, this is what I read. I haven't tested it yet, so I haven't wanted to share it with y'all because I want to make sure I'm a pro, is that you can take a video and then it will take the meat and potatoes out of your video. So if you're doing like a dance or some jump or something like that, it'll take the coolest part of the clip and cut it down. This is what I've read. I don't know if it's true. So Kat, if you use this and it's amazing, let me know. But GoPro app, try this out and see what you guys think, because it says it's going to take the cool part of your videos, cut it down so that way you don't have to go through and like watch all the boring shit, edit, cut it out. It does it for you. So that's pretty dope. Yes, Canva, yes, queen. I'm here for Canva all the way. Okay, automation. This is something as a small business owner. Oh, it adds music and animation, but you can make the clip longer if you want. There you go. Adds music and automation. Boom, shakalaka. Thank you, Kat, for dropping that knowledge bomb. Okay, automation. As a small business owner, I am a one-woman show and I'm trying to do all the damn things and I'm failing at it. So I had to look into automation because I was sending out emails every single week manually. So I would go in Monday night, take about a couple minutes, and I would schedule out the email for the next morning. I did not know I can do it in a month in advance. So what did I do yesterday? I went in and I scheduled all my emails until December. You can go in and change them too, and that's what's awesome. MailChimp is what I was using, and MailChimp does not have automations for free. You have to pay for it. So Squarespace is the platform that I use for my website, and they have automations, and holy Jesus, automations. Can I get a freaking amen for some automations? I did not know the value in this. So if you are sleeping on automations, don't get on it, because I guarantee you it's going to change your life. Lazy. Pure laziness, wasn't even doing it. And then Calendly was another thing. Free, did not know that existed. Every time somebody signs up for the community, they get a welcome call with me, and we do a 30-minute, like, how can I serve you kind of introduction to what I think, that way I can get a better idea of your business. And I was just sending an email back and forth. So I would send somebody an email, say, hey, let's jump on a call. And then we'd go back and forth 100 times, trying to figure out a time and date with time zones and everything like that. Insert Calendly. Now I just send an automated welcome email with Calendly. Saves your life. Now they can pick a time that's comfortable for them. They don't have to, deal with back and forth. It's so much easier because y'all are busy. We ain't got time for that. So take advantage of the things that are available to you. Zapier, another one that you can use to, it's like do this and do that kind of thing. It's a connector. I've been looking into that as well, and I didn't understand the power of it. If you YouTube Zapier integrations, you will see all of the amazing things that Zapier can do. You can take Instagram and put it on YouTube. You can take YouTube, put it on Pinterest. You can take emails and send it here. It's amazing, and it's free. You have to pay for like more Zappy things, but for the generic like thing that you need, it's free and it's amazing. So look into Zapier. It's amazing. I've been binging on YouTube for it just to learn. Yes, yes. Okay, AK wears things. IFFFT, it's like if this then that or something like that, right? It's the same thing as Zapier, and it's amazing. What do you use that for? Share that a little bit, because that's something I've been looking into too, was that, and I was looking at Zapier. So I would love to know, because every time I typed in Zapier, a Google ad would be IFFT. You can hook up apps to each other. Like when you take a photo, you can make it save to a certain Google Drive. Done. Yes, I need that. Thank you very much. This is great. Thank you so much for that. Use it for content, especially with me and Kat, because we're taking pictures of ourselves and then we're sharing them in a Google Drive. And it's just hard to get, you know, everything when somebody's not next to you. She's in a different state. So for us, it's a little bit easier. So thank you so much for sharing that little tidbit, because that way now I can use that. So IFFT, if this, then that, boom, dropping it. Yes, you are valuable. Thank you, AK Where's the Things. We are here for this.